Welcome to the Crypto Bus Ninja channel, and I am happy about this trade. I entered this trade at $1.85 about 4 hours ago, and it is going parabolic, high risk at this point. Yeah, we have a Telegram group, so feel free to join that. And we also have a trading group. If you're not part of it, at least the Telegram, I don't know what you're doing because you're missing out on these gains that I would have announced and told you about when I entered the trade if you were in my Discord. So Telegram is free. Discord is paid for. I just made the Patreon. But let's look at this. This is on Mexc chart. It is going parabolic. It has been out for a while, but just got listed on Mexc. The daily chart doesn't have any data on Mexc. The 12-hour is overbought. The 6-hour is overbought. The 4-hour chart is overbought. But again, continuing to go parabolic. The 1-hour chart is really the only chart, and under that is where we can really do stuff. I mean, the 4-hour chart tells you it's overbought, but the 1-hour chart has moving averages and everything. So what we're looking at right now, and there's not a lot of data here like I just said, but you definitely, let me make that a solid line. You have support at $1.60 for sure, and right now it's just price discovery because even on here, this is the same one, it's just, I believe we're at all-time highs right now on ALPH. So if this thing could keep ripping or it's due for a pullback, but the 15's been overbought now for a while and it's just gone pinned and continues to go up. Probably the last hour it's been overbought. So I'm up $300 on this trade off of just like a $1,300 or whatever, or something like that, and that's what we're looking at right now. So really, I guess the only way to really know where we're still gonna go on this would be to use fibs, and I don't use fibs very often, but I think sometimes you have to in smaller moves like this to really see what's gonna happen. So hold on. So really, let me just move this. So I would take this to the last local low, and then you take it to the previous high, and then your next fib to the upside is up here at 244. That's probably where you're going to go, and then I would expect some resistance at that level. So I guess for right now, we'll mark that as resistance. Maybe it's not, but that's where we could see some resistance at that level up there, and that's kind of what I'm looking at for ALPH. Next target is 244, and then at that point I might think about taking profits. I don't know, but this thing is going parabolic and it keeps making higher highs and higher lows, so I might be okay to just stay in this trade and risk it goes back down. But I do like making money, so I don't know. But this is what I'm looking at right now, and if you guys were in my Discord, you would have gotten notified when I enter this trade, and you'd be up, 25-30% right now. So that's what I'm looking at. If you guys enjoyed this, appreciate if you hit the like, subscribe, share this video with your friends. And by the way, to join my Patreon where I give calls out, it's only $30 a month. I mean, if you make $300 in one trade, it's a pretty damn good deal. But anyways, I'll post 2-3 charts a day on average, and probably in the bull run even more. So that's all I got, and I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys have requests for altcoins, let me know in the comment section below as well.